Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Intelligence is the most important quality that a leader needs to have. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Intelligence helps leaders to stand out by comprehending the complex matters and dealing with them skillfully. This is the reason for considering it the most important attribute of the top management layer. However, other traits such as patience, oratory skills, transparency, and the ability to motivate cannot be ignored. To start with the need for intelligence in a leader, being prudent, leaders are capable enough to analyze the situation from different angles and handle it efficiently. They can do the SWOT analysis and assign tasks to the team members according to their strengths, further utilizing the proficiency of all for the desired success. Their decision-making and problem-solving skills are because of their intelligence. For instance, SpaceX by Elon Musk succeeded in its mission because of the intelligent leader. However, there are many situations where the leaders have to be patient and respond to the situation, not react. They share not only the responsibilities but also the credit for success, which makes them trustworthy by bringing fairness and transparency in their working system. This quality comes when they are emotionally mature and understand others. For example, Tata Group is well known for the value given to employees. Besides, they need to motivate others, for which they need to have communication skill, which makes them achieve remarkable results. In conclusion, strong leadership is not restricted to intelligence only, rather it is a combination of attributes. The leaders are intelligent, no doubt, simultaneously, they must be orators, patient and emotional. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.